So guys, for today's video, we are testing random people if they are legit or not. So here, as you can see, there's a lot of people. And here, I approach the target and they say, hey. So as you can see, I talked to the guy and said, can you hold this pet for a second? And here, as you can see, I find the pet and I found the pet that I will try his loyalty. So here I gave it to him and pretend to sell something. So yan, he accept it and I pretend to sell something, and after that, I came back to see if he is loyal or not. Okay, yan. Here it comes. And I say, send it back. And I'm nervous here if he is legit or not. Oh, he's legit. Because of this, I'll give him a simple gift for being a loyal player. So here I'm looking for the ticket and send him a little shekels. I gave him 500 QI. So as you can see yan, I accept and done. Keep it up, bro.